Today, I'm unboxing and setting up the Epson L3210 all-in-one printer. I'll show you everything from making photocopies to installing drivers and printing. Inside the box we've got a CD with drivers, a USB cable, a power cable, and for 65 ml ink bottles. You're a legend. Let's start by filling up the ink. Open the ink cover and fill each tank with the corresponding color. Black first, then yellow, magenta, and cyan. Close the cover when done. Next, connect the power cable and turn on the printer by pressing the power button. Load some paper into the paper tray. To photocopy a document, place it on the scanner bed, close the lid, and press the photocopy button. Your copy will be ready in seconds. Now let's print from the computer. First, connect the USB cable from your printer to your computer. The link to the print driver download page is in the description below. First, check your computer's operating system. On my MacBook Pro, I go to Settings, greater than General, greater than About. It shows I'm running macOS version 14. Choose your operating system, download the driver and install it. After the download completes, Start the installation process and follow all the instructions. Note that the installation steps may vary, depending on the operating system. Once installed, go to your system settings. Add the printer under printers and scanners, and you're set to print. To print, open a document. Select Print, choose your printer and hit the Print button. You'll have your document printed out shortly. For scanning, first, install the scan driver from the link in the description. Choose your operating system, download the scanner driver and run the installation. After the download completes, start the installation process and follow all the instructions. Note that the installation steps may vary, depending on the operating system. Open the Epson Scan 2 application, select your printer and adjust the settings. Place your document on the scanner, close the lid and press Scan. In a few minutes, you'll see the scanned document on your computer. And that's it. If you had any questions, drop them in the comments so I get back to you with solutions. Check out my other printer-related videos for more tips. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.